welcome to the Hebert House. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm Lelia. I'm the mom here at the Hebert House, and this is our own little space in the world, and we're glad you have come to see this. If you're here, you're probably either a longtime viewer or you're here for the postpartum aspect of this video, which I'm going to hit both. But first, I would love to say thank you so much to all of our longtime subscribers. I know this year on our channel has been rough, and you guys have continued to check on me and reach out to me and love on me via social media, and I could not be more grateful. The messages that I get and the people that have reached out to me, it's incredible. And so I just want to continue to thank you, and I also want to thank all of my friends that I've made here on YouTube who just continue to pour into and love on me. So I wanted to say that first, and then say that if you have not, please make sure that you join us on Instagram. I'll put it right here, and make sure if you have not, you subscribe if you would like to follow our family. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to give you a postpartum update and tell you about some channel changes that we have coming up. Y'all, it's been hard. If you've been around here for a while, you know you followed us through our pregnancy with Everett, our loss, our infertility, our conceiving Hobson, bed rest with Hobson, birth of Hobson. So you know that the pregnancy was very tough, and I guess I just thought that maybe since the pregnancy was going to be so tough, that once he was here I would feel better, and that's just not true. The entire pregnancy was very scary, and while I try very hard to not live in fear, because I believe that my God is bigger than anything else out there, I have been fearful, and I was fearful, and I thought that maybe once the baby was here that fear and anxiety would go away, and it did not. It only ramped up to the point where for until about 3 weeks ago, there were days where I couldn't get out of bed. I would literally just lay in bed, take care of Hobson, and have to depend on my husband and my son to get me any substance or anything, because I could not get over the anxiety. I won't say that it was really postpartum depression, because I don't feel like it was depression per se, and I don't want to act like I had something that I did not, but I do believe that it was postpartum anxiety, and I think that that's a little normal coming from where we were with our loss and everything that we had to do to get Hobson here. But what I don't think was normal is the fact that I had zero drive to do anything, including filming and uploading videos. I cried, I screamed. I would get up to clean my kitchen, and I would walk in and get so overwhelmed that I would sit down and cry on the floor. I was in a really, really bad place. And I was actually a day away from calling my doctor to get put on depression medicine or anxiety medicine, which not many people, and I haven't been forthcoming with this on my channel, but I really just want to be real and raw with y'all, is that my mother has suffered with addiction, especially to pain medicine and to pills, my entire life. And so therefore, I tend to shy away from anything medicine-wise, because I don't want to even give myself a chance to want the medicine. And I know that sounds silly because I've seen what it's done to my mother, but it's just how I feel about it. And anxiety medicine is scary for me, because Xanax was what actually started her addiction. So I was talking to a friend, and I was telling her what was going on, and she said, how is your health? Like, how are you doing health-wise? And I said, well, not good. I ate whatever I could get my hands on, mostly just carbs and simple stuff. And I wasn't fueling my body. I wasn't taking care of my body. I do have MTHFR and PCOS, and I was not detoxing properly. So I knew that my body wasn't working in the way that it should. And it showed, because I was in a horrible place. My house was a mess. I was a mess. I was taking care of my children, but hardly. I was overwhelmed. I was all the things, and YouTube honestly was the last thing that I could think about, because I didn't want to come across on a video looking happy when I literally couldn't even make myself smile most days. And I know I keep saying it was a struggle, because that's exactly what I felt. I felt like every morning when I woke up, I was struggling to exist. I was struggling to get past this hump of anxiety to where I could actually exist in my real life. And I reached out to my friend Erica at Erica Ann, her YouTube channel. I'll link it below. She's one of my best friends that I've met here on YouTube. And just spoke to her, and she said, like, take care of yourself. Don't worry about YouTube right now. If your subscribers are there, they will be there when you come back. And so I did. I took a break, and as you can tell, my uploading schedule has been completely just awful and messed up. And I took a break. I prayed about it because I want to do what God has in store for my life, and I trust him completely. So I've prayed about it. I've thought about it. I've journaled about it. And I really wanted to, now that I had knew that there was something I had to do, like I had to get better, I had to make some decisions. I started eating clean. I started getting rid of all the processed foods at our house. I started eating whole foods. I started taking care of myself, whether it be showering every day or walking every day or reading, doing something to better myself other than just sitting there and worrying constantly about everything. And I am proud to say that it's been 3 weeks since I've had an anxiety attack. It's been 3 weeks since I laid in bed all day. It's been 3 weeks since I felt overwhelmed to the point where I could not move. And I really believe wholeheartedly that the only reason I was do that is because I was able to clear my body, clear my mind, and clear some of my house of the clutter that had accumulated while I was on bed rest for 6 weeks. My brain does not work in clutter. Like, it just feels like if I see a cluttered space, it literally just feels like my brain shuts down. So as I was getting through all of this, I'm getting to a point, sorry. As I was getting through all this, it was like God spoke to me and gave me the word clean. And it felt like he spoke to me and told me that this was the direction that I wanted my channel to go. If you started with me on YouTube way back in the day, you know that the focus of my channel was mainly on cleaning, organizing, Dollar Tree hauls, but mainly cleaning and organizing. And I loved making those videos. I've always said that cleaning and organizing is my anxiety medicine, and I truly believe it because that is what really makes my head and my mind calm down. It's a good organized space or a good clean space. And so that's the direction I really want to take this channel. I love having a vlog channel. I love having my children and my family have these videos to look back on. But the other thing that I was struggling with was exactly how much of my family and my children did I want to put out on social media. My 14-year-old has a choice, and he tells me a lot, Mom, I don't want to be on your Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. And he has that choice, but Hobson does not. And so I've been trying to really kind of decide how much of him and his life I want to put on YouTube. And I'm still kind of toying around with that idea. I don't know what level my children will take in this channel going forward, but I do know that I have a vision for this channel, and that's where I want to take it. So here's the channel update. As of July 1st, we are relaunching the Hebert House. This will be a new theme for this channel. It will be clean home, clean shelves, clean body, clean mind. And that's what this channel is going to be about. It'll be about cleaning videos. It'll be about hauls for cleaning stuff or organizing stuff. It will be organizing our house, organizing other people's houses, organizing small spaces, how I organize. And it will also be about how we are taking the journey as a family into clean eating and taking better care of ourselves, and how we are cleaning our bodies, how we are cleaning our minds, and how we are cleaning up our lifestyle to be healthier as a family unit. So that is what our channel as of July 1st will be relaunched and will be rebranded to do. So if you're interested in that, cleaning, organizing, clean eating, healthy body, healthy mind, the clean eating won't be as much probably as the cleaning and organizing, but I do want that to be a part because I do feel like that is such an inaugural part of you being able to do the other things. I cannot even explain to you guys how incredible I feel since getting rid of all the nasty stuff in my body. It is like night and day. And I just keep wanting to do it. Like, I don't want to stop. And so I'm hoping that I can inspire others to deal with their anxiety, depression, and other issues by, you know, well, pause. Let me say, there are places that medicine is needed. And I don't ever want anyone to feel like I'm shaming them for having to take medication, because that is not the case. I do understand that there are places where medication is needed. I just know in my experience in life, I did not want to take it. I did not want to ever feel like I've seen my mom look. And don't think that I'm being disrespectful to my mother. My mother knows and embraces that she has an addiction. She still struggles and she tries every day to be better, and I'm very proud of her, but I don't want that to ever happen to me. So don't send me hate saying that, you know, that you need your medicine. I'm not here to judge you. I think that there are definitely places where medicine is needed, but if I can inspire others to use cleaning and organizing and clean eating and healthy living to help get through that, then that's what I want to do. So I think I've already talked enough on this video, but I just wanted to give you guys the update from the postpartum, what our channel changes will be. I'm excited to work the next week to put content together. So starting on July 1st, our new channel theme will be up. We will be rebranded and we will be ready to go to take you guys on our cleaning, organizing, and clean eating journey with us. And I hope you enjoy it. There will be family updates in there every now and then, but I hope you guys understand why I'm taking this journey with my YouTube channel. It's just where my heart is, and I hope that that shows in the passion that I have for it. So that's all. Thank you so much for coming to our little corner of the world. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and come back on July 1st and see what the new Hebert House is all about. And I hope that God blesses you today, and I hope that you have a great day. Thank you. God bless.